Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame right now. As you can see, we are actually right at our level of resistance at 17K until we have a 4-hour open and close above 17,000, say 100. We should not be really looking for higher such as 17.3, 17.4, or even 17,900. If we do get that close above 17,100 with the 4-hour open and close, I do think we're going to first test into 17.3, 17,400. And then after that, we should be looking at a stab at around 17.8, 17.9. Once again, I said that's only if we have a 4-hour open and close above 17,100. If we close under 17,000 and we do that once or twice, we should be immediately ready for a test of the low around 16,800. Then after that, we should be looking for a stab at almost around 16,500, which is the golden pocket. And if we can't hold that, then we can be looking at after 16.4, we'll be looking at low 16s, and then after that, we're looking at 15,400. So please be aware that the targets are all active. Ideally, we don't want to break all the way down. We want to maybe come as low as 16.4, find support, and then just rally on up. So if you're looking for a long scalp, look for it around 16.4, 16.5. If you're trying to short, you can short 17 with a stop loss above 17.3. If you're trying to short higher, you can wait for 17.3, 17.4, all the way to 17.9 for a nice DCA short take back profit around 17,000 basically. So that is Bitcoin for you. On a daily right now, volume is just coming to a low as we're coming into resistance. So a little bit of a pullback is totally expected around 16.4, 16.5. So yeah, let's look at the 4-hour chart. Yeah, the 4-hour chart is already starting to do its weak bounces into the 17,000. So I won't be shocked that if we just start coming to 16.8 and try to hold it, and then if we can't hold it from 16.8, just coming right back, excuse me, coming to test around 16.4, 16.5 is a very logical area for us to get a next bounce for a retrace up. Coming this low though, when we do get our bounce, I'm not looking for the bounce to get higher than 16.8, 16.9. I think from 16.4, 16.5, we'll get to 16.8, 16.9, and then roll over and test it again. That second time, if we hold, then we can look for higher. So yeah, that is my idea on Bitcoin. Let's go quickly look at Ethereum. There is Ethereum. So let's go to a daily. I already saw what I didn't want to see on a 4-hour. Going to a daily, you can see that we were at our resistance for the last couple days. We tested it 3 times, didn't break it, and we actually came right back to our support around basically 1245, 1250. If we can hold this on a 4-hour, then we can basically look for sideways and up. If we lose uh, 1250 on a 4-hour open and close, I would first assume that we're going to go test into 1215, 1200 and see if we can use that as support, go sideways and march on up as an inverse head and shoulder. If not, if we lose 15 to 1200 and we start closing around 1160, I'd be looking for that bounce between 1160 to 1129, like a nice little bounce from here. And then it'd be coming probably to 1215-ish, and then I'd probably expect it to roll over from there, bounce again, and then continue up if we're going to. If we lose the bounce on the second time at 1129, then we can retest the wicks and then even go to the lower targets, which you see already on the chart. All right. Well, on the daily, volume is just coming to a standstill at resistance. We were always expecting a pullback. I was obviously short. I am short from 1300. So my short is obviously in a nice chunk of profit, 327% to be exact. I will be looking to scalp along. I already have a long scalp started, but I'm DCAing into this level here. Then I will ride it up. I'll probably have a stop loss under 1120-ish. That's basically what I'm looking for on Ethereum. Going to a 4 hour. You can see the downside moves have already begun. We are already under the 21 EMA, opening and closing, and now we just got a nice little rejection out of it. We have to see if we hold this level and can consider that support around 1250, or if we start going to 1240 and start closing under 1240, then we have to look for 1200 and whatnot. So keep that in mind right now. Go level by level. If 1240 holds for these 4 hour open and closes, I would be considering downside to be very muted and sideways and up being more of a logical possibility. So just my 2 cents on that. Sorry, I'm adding to my long as we speak on limits because I do like that it's there and it's a higher uh, low. So until this candle closes, obviously you can't say that, but since we got the EMA a little bit higher, I think it's worth taking that risk. Can I get my fill, please? Computer is lagging. Okay, well, I'm gonna let that go. Let's go over our next asset, which will be Dixie. If we close today under the 1250, next day we're gonna be gunning to the lower levels regardless. Same thing for Bitcoin. So keep that in mind where the daily close occurs today. What were we looking for? We're looking for Dixie. Dixie. Sorry, but second. Dixie. So yesterday we were looking for this to come into that 104 area and give us a bounce. In the morning, I was already saying, hey, it looks like the bounce has started. That's literally what occurred. We're at our level of resistance right now. It is very important today that we close above 105. And if that occurs, a close above 105.70, next day we should open up and then look for higher. And we might even avoid this, bear cross of these EMAs. So that would be ideal. If we close under it and this red EMA closes under the purple on the daily, we're going to use this as our next level of resistance, and we're going to probably gun down to the 103, 101 area, and then get this inverse head and shoulder playing out exactly how I've had for I don't even know how long I had this here, but yeah, it looks like it's playing out. So be ready for it to come down into this level. If it comes down into this level one more time, then it's gonna be your last little pumpish area, last gas pump, and then after that you're gonna see if this rises, you're gonna see everything just get eviscerated to the downside. So yeah, keep that in mind. What else can I go over? I mean, that's basically it, guys. We just need to be patient. Dixie looks like it's doing stuff. So if you go to a 4 hour, the 4 hour. Okay, so at least on the 4 hour, we're trying to hold support. But this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So almost a day we've been going sideways. Ugh, that's gross. I mean, we are above support. That's all I can say. So we should be going sideways and up. Here's a perfect example of that. So until you close under 105 with a 4 hour open close, I would just say going sideways and up. That's a lot of sideways here above support. So, I mean, if we lose this level, it is going to be a mean drop down to that 101 103, 4, and then maybe 101. So just be prepared for that. And if that drop occurs, you should see a nice big pop on equities and crypto. So that inverse relationship is starting to come back again. So just be ready for that. That's all I really wanted to say for today, guys. If you're interested in members, please feel free to DM me. If you are interested in trading with us live, feel free to join us on the Discord server. And yeah, the Discord server is in the description of this video below. What else can I say? Please leave a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications if you haven't already. And if you know anyone interested in this markets, please feel free to share our channel so that way we can help them see what we see in the charts. Aside from that, guys, you guys have a great day. Be safe. I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Goodbye.